wars. Major wars plural. So here the object is plural. So I need a plural helping verb. There are no more major wars. Error is in this third part. United Nations is the name of a group. No problem with that. Like United States. Happy Days are a good movie or is a good movie? Both are. Happy Days is good movie or are good movie? Arabian Nights is a good book or are good book? See name of the country which is ending with yes. So look at this. Job, singular or plural? Jobs. Jobs. But I will say jobs is singular. Why, sir? If I keep this, it is singular only. Because name of a person is ending with yes. We can't change the names of persons or people or places. So Steve Jobs, so name is ending with yes, but it is not plural. It is singular only. Similarly, United Nations, it's the name of a group. So you need not worry about it. Now next question, question number 4. A millionaire named Thomas Shelby walked into a popular bank in the middle of London city and requested to speak to a loan officer. So this millionaire named, what's his name? Thomas Shelby. He walked into a bank, okay, in the middle of London city, okay, and requested to speak to a loan officer. All our correct answer is 5, no error, error free. One day the lion could not hunt any animal but found a little fox in the way home. The phrase is this, what do we say? On the way, in the way. Suppose you call you send a message to your friend, where are you? What is he saying? I am in the way, on the way. Always on the way. Similarly, on the way home. Error is in the fourth part. A coward. Who is a coward? Coward means a fearful person is called coward. Opposite is brave. A coward will always remain a coward even if he is in the company of the bravery. Answer. Bravery is a quality. Here we don't need a quality. Here we require the people who have that quality. The bravery wrong. The brave is correct. The brave means before adjective, if we are keeping any definite article, then what does it indicate? The plus adjective is equal to whole class. The plus adjective is equal to whole class means you must have heard this quotation. The rich are getting richer. Now here the rich is an adjective, the definite article. The rich means what? All rich people. All rich people. The rich means all rich people. That's the reason we are taking are, not is. Similarly, the poor are getting poorer. So what do we require in the question is the brave. The brave means all brave people. Bravery wrong, brave is the right option. So delete bravery, RY, only brave. The brave means all brave people. All the people who have courage. Shasha were a greedy lady and inquired with her husband about the nectar-filled apples. Shasha were is wrong, Shasha was is correct. We can take Shasha were only when we are considering it imaginary case. If you are using as the wish, you can use Shasha were. Otherwise, Shasha was only all the time. Sensing danger, Vikas fled and takes refuge in a hole near the lake shore. He sensed the danger, then what happened? He fled. Fled means Run away, escape, flee, fled, fled. Flee, fled, fled. Run away, escape. So fled is past. Takes is V1, yes. So answer is here only. He ran away and he took refuge. Refuge means shelter. Protection, shelter. Error is in the second part. Fled and took. Fled and took. The Brahmin was annoyed at being mistaken for a washerman and scolded the children. What is the rule of a preposition? What are these? After a preposition, what do I need? ing or noun. After any preposition, ing or noun except to. To is also preposition, but after to, v1 is needed. Now, if you observe the second part, annoyed at being wrong. Being is related to v3. I require ing. ing means being. At being, not being. If I want to keep v3, I can keep being. But v3 is not needed there. ing is needed. That's the reason I'm converting being into ing, being. The animals were facing a severe drought. Drought means no rain at all. No rain, dry period is called drought. They were facing a severe drought and the lake from where they drank was drying up quickly. Can you guess the answer? The lake in which they drank water. Why can't I take from where, sir? From where you can take if you want to talk about the direction, if you are telling some transportation. It is the lake from where they started their journey. It is the lake from where they initiated the first scheme. So, but what happened? They did not start anything. They only drank water there in that lake. So, in which is needed. Loud groans and noises. Easy answer. Both plural take were. Loud groan. Groan means making noise. Loud groans and noises were heard and crowds of people from all the parts came to see what the matter was. Error is in the first part. For a long time the farmer chased them away. Chased is past. When the birds found is also past. That the sling was swung. Do you know sling? When a person has got some hand injury, elbow injury, they'll tie something, the band-aid kind of thing. That is sling. And not only that, have you played with that? A wooden structure will be there like this, I guess. The structure will be like this. There will be a rope kind of thing, elastic kind of thing. When you pull, keep a stone in that, pull it and it will go. That is called a sling. In the war also they use. In Bahubali they use the sling and they send the big stones. So that is sling. So the sling was a swung. Swung means swing, swung, swung. So swinging, moving. Past only V2. And passive voice, the cease. Cease is V1. Cease meaning is stop. But this is in the V1. I need V2 format. Ceased. Error is in the third part. Cease means stop. Economists all over the world have expressed anxiety. Anxiety means a little worry. Why did they express? Where did they express? They expressed anxiety in this regard. This regard, can rearrangement, yeah. Rearrangement, yeah. Did I say anything wrong? No, what is your question? Rearrangement, parajumble. Did I say anything? Then did I tell it is a comprehension passage? Then okay, rearrangement you don't do. Shall we do or shall we skip? Disregard. So can it be the first sentence? Already this is used. So we need to know what is that regard. So this cannot be the beginner of the paragraph. As a result, if a sentence is starting with as a result, that also cannot be the beginner of the paragraph. As a result will come before some action. There has to be some action later on, the result will come. Indian economy has not shown desirable growth in the recent years. Maybe first sentence. Grim means serious. Serious global economic scenario as also cannot be the beginner of the paragraph. But no, what is the first sentence? Indian economy has not shown desirable growth, means expected growth, it has not shown in the recent years. Then what should come next? Disregard. As a result immediately cannot come. Grim global economic scenario has also contributed to this problem. What is that problem? It has not shown growth. Is this the problem? Yes, no? Grim global economy. See, Indian economy did not grow much recent years. Not only that, global economy has also contributed to this problem. Global economy scenario is also not good. It seems a quick fix solution is yet far away. So quick solution is not near, it is very far away. Can I add a D after C? Then what? Then comes A or B or E. Look at E, which I have not seen once. Let's see E. But one of the primary reasons for such a situation has been Indian government's inability to take tough decisions. Now he is talking about reasons. E is related to reasons. A, economists all over the world have expressed anxiety in this regard. All over the world will come when we are talking about global situation. So can I add A after D? Because in D we are talking about global situation. Globally also throughout the world economic scenario is not good. So because of this problem, because of this situation, economists all over the world said, they expressed their worry in this regard. Then comes what? As a result, Indian people have been subjected to high cost of living and inflation. This becomes the result. But look at E. But one of the primary reasons for such a situation has been Indian government's inability to take tough decisions. Why this situation has happened? Because one of the reasons is what? India is not able to take the tough decision. So last sentence will become B. So C, D, A, E and B will be. Now wrongly spelled or inappropriate word, it is your job to tell the answers. Instrument, sight, screen, diameter. Spelling wise all appear, I guess. Let me read it to check is there any inappropriate word or not. He was the first to describe an instrument. An instrument, okay, fitted with a sight. What's that? Huh? CITE means mention something. And remember, CITE is a verb. And after article, I require noun. After a or an or the, I require a noun. But SITE is a noun, but it is related to place. Meaning wise, SITE is not possible. Grammatically, CITE is not possible. Then what will come here? With a sight and paper screen for observing the diameters. Sight is related to the way you see, eyesight. Sight is also called scenario, remember, beautiful sight. Error is in the B part, delete SIT, keep SIGST. Disruptive, predicting, analyzing solutions. Is there any spelling mistake? Predicting, PRE. Predicting, pre means before, dicting means saying before only, that is called prediction. Garbage, growing, landfills, dweller. Have you done this section? Then why are you silent? Nobody is answering. You maintain pin drop silence. right? Landfills, double L is needed. Double L, garbage correct, growing correct, dweller also correct, but double L is needed. Landfill. Landfill is a place where people throw the dump yard, we can say. Constituted committee formation curriculum. Committee, correct spelling. Double M I double T double E. All two cube. Double M double T double E. Now, single fellows, our knowledge of the universe has been much widened on the account of the dash efforts. The efforts. After A and the what is needed? Noun, efforts already noun. So, noun is already there. What is needed in the blank? Adjective. The primary efforts, primary, basic, both have same meaning. Both mean same. So, primary efforts, basic efforts. Core. Core means deep efforts. Core means deep. Untiring. Untiring means without getting tired, no tired at all, continuously, full of energy. Full of energy is called untiring. Differentiating. The differentiating efforts. Answer 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, not possible. 3, 4, 5. What kind of efforts of the astronomers like Jean and Eddington? Answer is fourth one, not core. Core we talk about subject. Subject process we talk core. But here we are talking about efforts. Untiring efforts, okay. Relentless, continuous, full of energy. Differentiating efforts, no. Answer 4. The government has launched a dash tribal welfare program. Tribal welfare program, already noun phrase, before that A is given. Still I need an adjective. A good tribal welfare program. A attractive wrong because what is needed? An attractive is needed. Second one wrong. A massive, okay. Massive means great, large, big. A important wrong. What is needed? An important. A different. So answer 1, 3, 5. Government has launched what kind of program? A good program, massive program, different program. Massive program. If you are looking for a spectacular quality of life in a dash country, after A, again noun is given, so what is needed? I need an adjective, article, adjective, noun. A spectacle, spectacle is nothing but good scenario. See, spectacle is scenario, spectacles are nothing but glasses. So this is scenario, noun. Spectacle country, nope. Similar country, okay. Assorted means various or range, size, assorted, different sizes, especially different sizes. Intensive, A intensive, grammatically wrong, A asserted wrong, because A is there, an asserted, an intensive. A diverse country. Answer 2 or 5. Diverse means varied, different. Means people with a different ethnicity, different language barrier, different regions, different religions, different places, different terrain. So answer similar country or diverse country. If you are looking for a spectacular quality of life in a diverse country, then Australia is well worth consideration after India. Now, my family made the painful decision of admitting my grandmother to a nursing home as she is no longer dash of looking after herself. Off is given after the blank. She is. Inept opposite is adept. These both are opposites. Adept means skillful. Inept, not skillful. So she is not skillful of looking after. Adept, inept, you must take at or in, not off. Comparable to, compare always to or with, but after the blank off is given. Capable of, yes. incompetent in, competent in, incompetent in. And the last one is ascertained. After ascertained, we do not take preposition, we directly take an object. Answer is capable of, third option. Have you done the passage? Yes or no? The lowest common denominator of the Indian culture today is, what is that? Is it Indian? Is it the attractive Hema Malini? Look at the beginning. Is it the songs of Vivid Bharati or the mouth-watering masala dosa? Delectable as they may be, each yields pride of place to that false symbol. That is false symbol of a new era, the synthetic fiber. So in less than 20 years, the nylon saree, terrain shade has swept the countryside, penetrated to the farthest corners of the land and persuaded every common man. So synthetic fiber. Hema Malini, songs of Vivid Bharati, masala dosa, answer is for synthetic fiber. Synthetic fiber has always been popular in India. Become popular during the IAS 20 years. What is that IAS 20 years? Check, where is that? Is it IAS or last? Where is that? Can you show me 20 years? Less than 20 years, where is that? Here only. In less than 20 years, nylon saree, terrain shade have swept the countryside. Become popular during the last 20 years, okay. Never been popular in India, been as popular as other kinds of fiber. Answer is second option. The latest symbol of modernity for the rural people is what? What is the latest symbol for modern people? More than bicycle, the wristwatch or the transistor radio, synthetic clothes have come to represent the first step away from village square. So more than bicycles, the wristwatch or the transistor radio, synthetic clothes. Bicycle, wristwatch, transistor, synthetic cloth. Answer is fourth option, synthetic cloth. Neo, neo means always new. Rich means you already know. Aristocracy, aristocracy means high class people, already loyal, royal people. High class people are called aristocracy. The people who belong to kings and queens families. Industrialist, newly rich people, common people. Answer. Have you had your lunch? What is that lunch doing in your stomach if without producing energy? Have you had lunch? Madhya Pradesh is full. Madhya Pradesh is full or not? Madhya Pradesh is full. Madhya Pradesh means stomach. Is it full? Then why is Uttar Pradesh not working at all? Newly rich people, new rich. The tone of the passage, how is the tone? What is the author trying to say? What is the author trying to indicate? Tragic, tragic means sad ending. The heroine dies in the movie, tragedy. Villain dies, happy ending. So is it tragedy? Let me read the conclusion once. And the neo-rich craze for foreign is nowhere more apparent, nowhere more clear than in the price that people will pay for smuggled, stolen, begged, borrowed, second-hand or thrown away synthetics. Alas, even the unique richness of the traditional tribal costume is being fast eroded. Erode means damaged, destroyed by the deadening uniformity of nylon. Ironic, do you know ironic? Irony. Irony is nothing but a kind of satiric. Suppose if you get a job, then majority of your own people will be happy. Your relatives, friends, well-wishers, majority will be happy. But 3 or 4 people will be sad because looking at your success. Then those sad people, because of their jealousy, they'll come to your house and they'll ask. How do they ask? You got the job? They ask like this. Now this sentence has 2 meanings. You got the job? You got the job means 2 meanings you can expect. One is confirmation, whether you got the job or not. Second one, according to my calculation, you are not supposed to get the job. How come you got the job? So satiric way is called irony. Satire same meaning, 2, 4 not possible. Somber or none. Somber has two meanings, dark and dull. It's not somberi Telugu, it's somber. Somber, dark, dull, one meaning in terms of color. Sometimes some people wear very dark, dull colors, that's somber colors. And another meaning is they're very serious. Very serious. And thinking is needed. You need to think about it. That is somber. Answer is third option, somber. That's all for now. Thank you for your participation.